So this church was painted less than a year ago by an amateur, inexperienced painter. Unfortunately, they did not prep or clean the surface properly. They did not use the proper sealer to prime and bond the chalking before applying paint. So this has caused massive peeling as well as excessive chalking that remains underneath the existing paint. If you'd like to know what causes it and how to fix it, be sure to follow along. So now that you know the definition of chalking, progression of chalking, causes of chalking, and how we're going to fix the chalking, I'd like you to follow along through this series of videos as we take you to the process of repainting this beautiful church. First, we're going to power blast the entire surface to remove all the peeling paint. Then we will prep and properly prime before finally applying finish coats. And be sure to join me and the crew as we take you through this 3-day exterior repaint project. Of course, as always, leave any questions or comments, and don't forget to like and follow for more.